Welcome to iPacky. In this video we will demonstrate how to use Packer's Note in iPacky. Packer's Note is a very powerful feature for improving the information flow. It will allow the workers and managers to put an internal note on the order. This note can also be sent to the back office or a supervisor by email. The Packer's Note can be viewed and updated many places in iPacky. Note is shown, if any. Select Actions. Select Edit Packer's Note. Detailed information about how to use the Packer's Note will come later in this video. Everywhere where you can preview an order by clicking on the eye icon. In on-screen batch picking, by clicking on the order. In picking list overview and order list. View it by moving the mouse over the icon, or click on it. Here you also see the eye icon to preview an order. And in order preview, view and edit Packer's Note. Also visible on the printed picking list. Do the initial setup of Packer's Note in iPacky dashboard settings. Specify if Packer's Note should be sent by email by default. This can be overridden in the Edit Packer's Note dialog. The email address the Packer's Note should be sent to. This email is to a supervisor or back office. Split emails by semicolon. You can edit or translate the email subject and body. Do not translate or change the variables. Save the changes. We will now show some scenarios in which we will use Packer's Note. How you will use the statuses is entirely up to you. Enter the Packer's Note. This puts a note on the order in iPacky, not in Shopify. If an email should be sent or not. The emails are specified in the settings. This can only be selected if the emails are specified. Please note that when clicking Save, the email if chosen, will be sent. So if you have not made any changes, select Cancel. This is an example of an email sent by Packer's Note. You can open the order in the iPacky dashboard by clicking on the link. You can now abort the order check by clicking on this button. Or you can tag the order as incomplete. By tagging it as incomplete, you can filter on this in picking lists and order list. Please note that this option is only available if you have selected a tag in Settings, Advanced, Tags for incomplete orders. This is the picking list overview. Here you will see a symbol if the order has a Packer's Note. Move the mouse over the symbol, or click on it to see the contents. The same will apply for the order list. Click on the Options button. Enter the order tag to be excluded from the view. The default tags can be set in Settings, Defaults. Start typing in the order tag you want to exclude from the view. In this case the order tag already exists in Shopify, so we can select it. If it does not exist already, you will have to type it in. Click on the Apply button. The order 1097 is no longer visible in the list since we excluded the book orders tag from this view, and order 1097 has this order tag. A manager or the back office will now decide what to do with the order. Maybe contacting the customer. Deciding whether to make a partial fulfillment, refund items or wait for incoming stock. Make the necessary changes on the order, edit the Packer's Note, and remove the order tag. The order will again be visible in the picking orders overview, and the packers can process the order. As demonstrated here in the video, Packer's Note is a very powerful tool to improve the order and information flow. Thank you for watching this iPacky video. For more details, read in the help system, or watch videos when they become available on iPacky.com or on our YouTube channel. Follow us on Facebook. Start packing error-free today.